with him visit was a different story.
Because you were confessed, the man refused to pay me my money. The man I called police, but me say he's a fraud.
Do Maffi, trying to make anything happen to you till me get better.
Police are threatening to revoke my license. $10,000 was this close, Oliver. All you had was to do was keep your mouth shut.
Keep my mouth shut. I made the man kill me.
Then the man ain't done lick you already, Oliver.
No, Maffi, him ain't done. When me tell him the truth, him done.
$10,000 gone on literally.
Maffi, that was a wicked double cross.
Oliver, the man come up on me sudden. I had to think of something at the spur of the moment. To play it by ear.
Oi, me head.
The doctor say anyway, bro?
Why? The doctor say everything broke.
If you just keep your mouth shut, all this suffering wouldn't be in vain. Sure. Anyway, make case and get better. Are you here?
Why?
Well, I have another little job for you next week, Friday night. Nothing dangerous, alright? You can do a little diving. How long you can hold your breath underwater? You think you can hold it for about 45 minutes?
Maffi, come look closer. Me not hear you too good.
It's a little job down by the wall.
Talk little louder.
You're going to have to dive, go to a ship and spy for some container. Why? Yes. You don't go back to me, my idiot.
I was just getting my ears. After you made the man broke up every bone in my body.
Why you the man? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, man? All right. All right.